So it's a new day, and we're going to put the drill press head on this guy, and then we're going to restore the drill press head. But that thing weighs like 300 pounds. So my friend Justin right here is going to come and help us out. Okay. The inside of this thing is gross.
Damn, boy!
That should be good. Got a new pack of Mr. Scotch-Brite around that inside edge. Just waiting for a giant fucking spider to like come out and kill me.
Dude, this is like rat nest heaven.
I'm not worried about rats, I'm more worried about spiders.
Really?
Yeah, I'm terrified of spiders. I'm terrified of spiders.
You could become Spider-Man.
Yeah, or you fucking die. I'm gonna lower this. It runs like a fucking dream now. Ready?
Yes, so.
Me too. 3, 2, 1. Looks right good. Lift your side up a little more. As you can see, it's in pretty okay condition. It's not in terrible condition. This is a little rusty, this is a little rusty. This part, unfortunately, is a little broken and probably gonna have to be remachined or replaced. But we're gonna totally tear this down. This front plastic piece is broken. Granted, it was broken in the move as I tried to lift it and realized this was plastic. A little too late. So I'll probably end up 3D printing a new one of these and keeping this front plate. Then also, this part right here is very bent. I'm gonna have to bend that back out. The cherry on top, of course, is the nest inside here. It's not really a nest at all. It's just kind of a bunch of cobwebs and like dust, I think. That or a spider is gonna jump out and fucking kill me. One of the two.
Hello there.
Ah, Jesus. Why? Ah. I didn't want to kill him, but I should have, because now I don't know where he is. So first thing I'm gonna do is put some gloves on. Please don't bite me. Really appreciate it. I've been bitten by enough spiders in my life. Being one, and that's far too many. What I don't want to happen is there be like a fucking nest. Okay, I'm gonna go to the hardware store, and I'm gonna get some like spider killer, and I'm just gonna spray it down in there, because I don't want to risk anything, and that'll give me good peace of mind, because I'm fucking terrified. With my luck, there's definitely a hive of spiders in there, and I'm just, nope. Nope, nope, nope. I didn't think about this. I didn't think about like bugs and like things like that when I was getting these tools. I didn't think like, oh yeah, there might be like dead bugs or like alive bugs or bug hives or... And I know the whole thing like, oh, spiders are more scared of you than you are of them. I don't care. I'm still fucking scared of them. Aha. Here goes nothing. We're gonna take this thing off. So we're gonna take a rain check on the pulleys for now, because I think they connect within each other, and I can't really find anywhere online that explains how to take these things off to clean them. And they don't make them anymore, so I'll have to just use the ones I have. But for now, I'm gonna take this thing off, see what's under here. Let's do it. You could give all these screws and stuff like an acid bath. Pivoting again, because we can't figure that one out, but we'll wrap it all back around. I'll try to show you what I'm looking at on the inside. I'm just going to take these guys off. I've struck gold. Okay, so what you're telling me here is the pulley is not coming out. Yo, there is some like alien looking things in this fucking drill press. Alien, bro. Straight up alien. So I went to the hardware store and I got degreaser, I got penetrating fluid, I got WD-40 Specialist silicone quick drying, and then I also got some lithium grease. So we're gonna degrease, we're gonna regrease, we're gonna seal, and then we are going to reassemble. Still haven't figured out the whole pulley system yet. And I obviously want to get that super clean before I put this back in, so that way nothing gets in between the two. These are the befores. This is the spindle. You can see how it looks right now. Pretty bad condition. You see the grease, it's pretty bad. So I'm gonna fix that. Some Q-tips and some degreaser. After about an hour and a half of penetrating oil and degreaser, this is the final product that will be going back into the drill press. It looks like a brand new part. It's totally different. You can tell a dramatic difference between this one, and this one looked worse than this one. So now we're gonna tackle this ye old drill spindle, and he's seen better days. Got a lot of grease right there. It's all bad, and then rust. I still have to figure out how to get this chuck out. I don't have a wedge though, so I have to figure out what I'm gonna do.
There's just something so satisfying about removing old grease from the grooves of a metal part and making it look brand new.
Yes, we did it. Oh boy, look at these two. Look at that, like a perfect working machine. So this is the big guy. When he's fully done, he looks great, like super good. And then here is the little guy. They look amazing, and I'm super proud of myself because this is awesome. I would have never guessed I could do this, and I did it. One last thing to do is this return spring. It's kind of a little dusty, rusty, but that'll be taken care of quickly. I just have to be sure not to like push it out because it'll kill me. I'm gonna do this piece now. See, it looks like this. It's gonna be looking nice and pretty. That's it for today. I will see you in the next one. Later.